In this lecture, we are going to talk about why we are going to use Python as a programming language in order to implement the quantitative finance related problems. So first of all, let's talk a bit about the Python programming language. It is a high-level programming language developed back in the 1980s. It was designed to be highly readable, and this is one of the key advantages of Python. So it is one of the easiest programming languages to start with. So it is extremely easy to learn Python as a programming language, and Python is extremely popular. So this is the most popular programming language at the moment, and you may pose the question why? Mainly because of scientific computing and machine learning. So there's a huge number of libraries available, such as SciPy for numerical computations, scikit-learn for machine learning, Keras for deep learning and neural network related algorithms. So there are several open source libraries available for the developers. Data science and artificial intelligence related applications rely extremely heavily on Python. So I'm not sure whether you are interested in machine learning or data science, but I came to the conclusion that if you want to implement these problems, then you have no other option but to use Python. So it is not that convenient to handle data science related applications in Java, for example, or C# or something like that. Python is extremely convenient because of the huge number of libraries: SciPy, scikit-learn, Keras, TensorFlow, and so on. So most of the scientific community use Python, for example, for physics related simulations, for complex networks, and so on. So this is why Python is the most popular programming language at the moment. By the way, Python is an interpreted programming language, which means that the code is interpreted and processed at runtime, so there is no need for compiling the program and the application such as with C++ or Java. It is object-oriented, so it may encapsulate code within classes and objects, and it is quite easy to use it with all the major databases. So Python is an extremely convenient programming language to start with. So let's talk about why to use Python. First of all, Python is very easy to learn compared to other programming languages such as C or C++. Then, Python is extremely convenient because of the several available libraries in machine learning, statistics, numerical methods, and so on. So it can significantly reduce time to implementation because we can use NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, several plugins, for example, for interactive brokers. So it is extremely convenient and easy to use these kinds of plugins and libraries. Okay, and finally, Python is quite fast. Of course, it is not as fast as C or C++. So if you are into high frequency trading, then of course you have to use C or C++ as the underlying programming language. But what's crucial that Python provides scientific computing components that are heavily optimized with the help of vectorization. So because of vectorization, Python can eliminate loops such as for loops or while loops, and this is why Python is quite efficient and quite fast. Okay, so these are the reasons why we are going to use Python as a programming language in the coming lectures. Thanks for watching.